What should I say?
I just told you.
Baby, they gotta listen to the Christmas carols. We getting in the spirit. Hey everyone, it's Ben, your landscape photographer out exploring America's High Five. Today we just got done Black Friday shopping with my girlfriend, and we're in downtown Detroit, and the sun is going to be perfect tonight, so we're gonna capture the skyline as the sun's setting with some nice pink clouds. Let's go. So we've made our way down to William G. McKillen State Park. Thinking about going right up on top of this hill here to capture the sun as it sets. So let's take a look around. We're about an hour before sunset. We're gonna walk around and see if we can't find a good composition and put this together. But I think I like it a little bit better down on the river down there, where the river's leading you down to the bridge and the sun's going to set behind the bridge. So we're going to work our way back down there, and that's where we're going to set up for lunch. So I chose to come down here both for two reasons. One, if you have never been to a location, there's an absolutely fantastic app called TPE. Highly recommended. And what that does is you can go to any destination out in the world, and it'll tell you when the sun rises and the sun sets. But not only that, it tells you the direction, so you can plan where to stand and capture that beautiful image. The next one is Cityscape. And Cityscape, what that does is it tells you all about the high clouds, which are the ones you want, the middle clouds, which I'm afraid is what we're going to get here tonight, then the low clouds, which you never want. And what that does is it predicts all over the world what kind of clouds you're going to get and at what time. Between those two resources, you can bet you're going to find yourself a great location. The only thing I'm nervous about is there's going to be a little too much cloud cover, too much middle cloud that is going to snuff out any view of the sun, any possibilities of a beautiful sunset. So cross your fingers that that doesn't happen. Setting your tripod up is to make sure it is nice and level. That way you don't have to do too much when you get into Lightroom or Photoshop or anything like that. Very important. Subtle, but makes a huge difference. So I've got everything locked and loaded. I've got the ambassador bridge in the left hand of the frame, and I have the Merlean in the right half of the frame. Now you can see that there are clouds coming in, high clouds over top. I'm hoping that the sun peeks through right as it sets. So cross your fingers and let's hope that that's what we get. Oh, what a trooper she is. It's cold out here. We got done shopping. We're about to get some dinner, but she's out here being patient with me as we wait to capture an image. So couldn't be more lucky to have her by my side.
We sat and waited for the sun to set for about a half hour, and every minute that passed, our fear of the clouds sniffing out the light grew stronger. With no sun lighting up the sky, I knew there was no image to be had. And that can be the ugly truth to landscape photography, my friends. Even though capturing the image can be the most rewarding part, what I'm learning is, for me, it's more about the journey and memories. With that said, we still had a great day walking up and down the Detroit Riverwalk, and we got some amazing Black Friday deals. There's snow in the forecast, so tune in next week as I venture out during one of Michigan's first snowfalls. If you enjoy watching, do not hesitate to like and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. See you next Sunday.